When we discuss antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, we rightfully call it a global crisis. And while we cannot underestimate the severity of it, it's also worth pointing out when good progress is being made. In this little video, we'd like to discuss two new organizations that are going to make a big difference. The EU has established Hera, a new agency for the advanced research and development of treatments against both natural and man-made pathogens. The latter is also what we call bioterrorism. Hera is the European version of the US agency BARDA that has been combating biological terrorism and threats for the last about 10 years. Both of these agencies stockpile antibiotics, and these economic partnerships with small biotechs really form a foundation for them for their research and development of novel products. The other organization I'd like to talk a little bit about is the AMR Action Fund, which, in addition to really having built up its organization now, enabling it to be able to make investments very soon, we from Novo Holdings are extremely pleased to have seen both John Rex be appointed as the chair of the Scientific Advisory Board and Bill Burns as the chair of the Board of Directors. To learn more about Hera, please go to the website of the European Commission. And to learn more about the AMR Action Fund, please go to its website. You should see both of those on your screen now.